Thank you very much Rupala ji. Thank you very much Jyotindra Mehta ji. Thank you very much all the stalwarts who have shared your wonderful experiences with us and your guidance for the cooperative banking sector. Friends, now it is the time for the big bang, the moment that you have been looking out for, and let us try to start announcing our great 14th FCBA Awards 2020 which we are hosting in 2021. Friends, let us first appraise you of the organization categories that we have gone through. First is the small UCBs, the second is the medium level UCBs, the third is the large level UCBs, the fourth is the Mahila Cooperative Bank, the fifth is the Pax and Credit Society, the sixth is the State Cooperative Bank, the seventh is the small DCCB, and the eighth category is the large DCCB. Our jury members have already shared with you their inputs related to the nominations, what they felt about the nomination, what kind of changes should be there, and how can we make our nominations much better. Now let me get on to the first category of the awards. So amongst the categories of nominations, we have got the Best Cooperative Bank Award, we have got the Best Leadership Award where we are talking the IT Head of the Year, we are talking about the Women Leader of the Year who is either the chairperson or the CEO of the bank, we have the Best Cyber Security Education and Campaign for the Year, we have the Best Digital Bank for the year. We are also looking, when it comes to the business growth, we are looking at the best credit growth in the year. Apart from it, we are looking at the best NPA management and controlling of risks in this year. We have the best PSL expansion of the year. We have got the best risk management initiative. We have got the best e-payment initiative. We have the best data analytics initiative. We have the best audit initiative. We have the best turnaround bank. We have the best HR initiative. We have the best infrastructure plan. We have the best fintech engagement. We have the best third party product growth category. We have the best investment initiative. And finally, we have the best fraud control initiative which has been initiated specially considering the kind of frauds that are happening in the cooperative banking sector. You will all be interested to know why we did not keep the best COVID control initiative, but COVID came post March 15th or past March 20th, and that was not a part of what you have done till 30th of March. So the next year, the 2021 awards will be hosting what is going to happen in the COVID and the social responsibility side from the cooperative banks. I hope that is also clear for most of you friends. Now let us move to the category of awards. Let me go from the association and federations perspective. So that is the first category that we always do. And the best CEO award for the association and federation goes to Mr. Ramlal D. Sanap from the Nasik District Urban Cooperative Banks Association Limited, Nasik. A big hand to Mr. Sanap. Congratulations, sir. From here we go to the next category, which is in the Mahila Cooperative Bank category, the award for the Women Leader of the Year, who is the best chairperson or CEO, and that's Dr. Sashi B. Ahire, again from Nasik Jilha Mahila Sahkari Bank, Nasik. So Nasik has been in the forefront in bagging two of the most first awards in this year's FCBA. Congratulations, Dr. Sashi. Now let's go to the next award, that is the Women Leader of the Year, Chairperson or CEO. From the PAX category, it is Mini KP from Kakur Service Cooperative Bank, Kerala. Mini, congratulations to you, ma'am. The next award, basically for the Women Leader of the Year, who is the chairperson and CEO, again from the PAX category, goes to Anju TS from Okkal Service Cooperative Bank. These both banks have come in the same marks, in the same category, and they have been given a joint award. So Anju and Mini ji, both of you, congratulations for achieving the Women Leader of the Year award in the PAX category. Congratulations. Let's go to the next category now. Woman Leader of the Year, Chairperson or CEO. In the Development Bank category, it is R.S. Isabella, who is the Chairperson, CEO of the Repatriates Cooperative Finance and Development Bank. Ms. Isabella, congratulations to you, ma'am. Women are the leader, and it is really a pleasure, it is really a huge respect for Banking Frontiers to respect all these wonderful ladies who have taken the financial sector, the financial discipline amongst the society to the newer heights. Let us now go into the Urban Cooperative Banks category. The Woman Leader of the Year in the Small Urban Cooperative Banks goes to Sarika Deshpande from Vishwas Cooperative Bank. Sarika ji, namaskar and congratulations to you for your wonderful achievement. Now coming to the Large Bank category, the chairperson and CEO in the Large Bank category, one of my favorite banks where I personally also had my first bank account in my life. That goes to Brijdina Coutinho from Basin Catholic Bank. Brijdina ji, welcome. Congratulations on your great work and a wonderful recognition for you for the great work that you have been doing. Congratulations. Now, let's go in the Associations and Federation category now for the Best Leadership Development Training Program. This award goes to the Kerala Urban Cooperative Banks Federation Limited. Kerala Urban Cooperative Banks Federation Limited, Advocate Jay Verma, who has been leading from the forefront as the secretary of this federation. Congratulations, sir. You have been doing a wonderful job in leadership training program and showing the world how the world has to lead when it comes to cooperative banking. Now let us go towards the best business growth training program amongst the Urban Cooperative Banks Associations, and this award for the best investments training program goes to the Marathwada Urban Banks Cooperative Association Limited. Congratulations, Marathwada Urban Cooperative Banks Association Limited. Congratulations for your achievement. Now, the cyber security has been the biggest threat for the cooperative banks, and the training in this makes a lot of sense and very crucial for the growth of cooperative banks. And we are proud to announce that the Telangana State Cooperative Urban Banks Federation Limited has been granted the best cyber security training program. Congratulations Ramurthy ji, Madan Gopal Swami ji and your entire team for achieving your award for this wonderful training program. Let's go to the risk management and NPA management training programs and empowerment programs. So from this perspective, let us try to see who is the winner, and once again the Nasik District Urban Cooperative Banks Association has been acclaimed as the winner for Best Risk Management and NPA Management Training Program. Congratulations Nasik Urban Cooperative Banks Association. You also won the Best CEO Award by Mr. Sanaf. Let's now move to the next category, the Best Risk Management Training Program and the Best Audit and Inspection Training Programs, and this is none by other than the South Gujarat Cooperative Banks Association Limited. very fondly called as SCOBA, one of the biggest partners of banking frontiers and of the cooperative banking sector when it comes to either organizing a training program or recognizing the platform for cooperative banks. Congratulations Mukesh Bhai, congratulations Bodawala ji and your entire team, Jaina Ben and the entire team of SCOBA. Congratulations on your achievements. Let's now look at the banks category. There is always a tradition that we should start everything with the ladies, and the Mahila bank category is something that we have always chosen to keep it as the first award category amongst the banks. In the Mahila banks category, best NPA management goes to Lakshmi Bai Mahila Nagrik Sahkari Bank, Gwalior. Congratulations team Lakshmi Bai Mahila Nagrik Sahkari Bank. Congratulations to you. We cannot hear all your applauses in this digital world, but trust me, I am of the feeling that all of you are sitting at your respective homes, seeing through the YouTube, seeing you through the Facebook, seeing through the website of Banking Frontiers, and are giving really big applause to all these cooperative banks. Please extend your best applauses and also click your picture and send it to us on our Facebook on the likes. I will just display the Facebook ID of Banking Frontiers here on the screen. It will be shown here. Please keep sharing your likes. Please keep sharing your applauses. Please keep sharing your claps and your wonderful smiling faces on the Facebook of Banking Frontiers and let us all celebrate together with the industry. Congratulations. Let us now make this a real digital celebration of the Cooperative Banking Awards. Friends, now let's go to the best credit growth in the Mahila category. The next award for credit growth goes to Sharda Mahila Patina Sahkari Bank. Sharda Mahila Patina Sahkari Bank for the best credit growth. Congratulations Sharda Bank. So payments. Everyone in the world has been shifting to digital payments. All those customers who were cash savvy suddenly became digital savvy. And wow, that is the growth for digital payment which the government was unable to achieve, which the NPCI was struggling to achieve, which the bankers were struggling to achieve. Now let us look at amongst the payments, especially in the Mahila Cooperative Bank, who are the banks who have really done well. And this award for the best e-payment initiative goes to the Bhagyalakshmi Mahila Sahkari Bank, Nanded. Welcome Bhagyalakshmi Mahila Sahkari Bank, Nanded. A very good applause to you and your entire team. Congratulations. Now let us go to the next category. The next category of awards is the award for the best Mahila Cooperative Bank, which has really shown some wonderful promises in this last year. And this award for the best Mahila Cooperative Bank goes to the Udaipur Mahila Samriddhi Urban Cooperative Bank. The Udaipur Mahila Samriddhi Urban Cooperative Bank, one of the most forward-looking cooperative banks in the Mahila category. A big applause to you and your entire team, the Udaipur Mahila Samriddhi Urban Cooperative Bank. Well, now the next thing to go forward is the best infrastructure plan in the PACS or Credit Society category. And the award for the PACS and Credit Society category best infrastructure plan goes to the Balwant Nagri Sahkari Pathasanstha Maryadit Jalgaon. Balwant Nagri Sahkari Pathasanstha Maryadit Jalgaon for your best infrastructure plan. Congratulations. I am looking at this bank for the first time in the awards. Congratulations to you. Now, amongst the pack, the award for the best cooperative bank in the PAX category goes to Kadirur Service Cooperative Bank. Kadirur Service Cooperative Bank. Congratulations Kadirur Service Cooperative Bank and your entire team. You have also made your first entry in the cooperative banking awards of FCPA. Now let's go in the credit growth and NPA management in the PAX category. 2 awards for a single bank, and that is Karasheri Service Cooperative Bank. Karasheri Service Cooperative Bank, the entire team, congratulations to you. This bank is the crown of PAX in the entire country, which has shown the direction to the entire country as to how a PAX should be run. In fact, it is our handicap that we can't give too many awards to this bank, but they have stood almost first in the most of the categories that they have applied for. So, these are first of the kind of banks which should come into the Hall of Fame, especially when it comes to sharing this award. There are no category virtually where they have not stood first. Congratulations Team Karasheri Service Cooperative Bank. It is really a difficult situation that we are not seeing each other, but what a wonderful sight to give you this award. The best digital bank. The digital bank is again an interesting category, and I am very happy to announce Kottakkal Service Cooperative Bank to be the winner in the best digital service cooperative bank category. Congratulations to you and a big applause. Let's go again in the PAX and Credit Society category. This is the category which we are running right now, and the best credit growth goes to Perumanna Service Cooperative Bank. Perumanna Service Cooperative Bank, best credit growth. Congratulations to you. There is another fantastic PAC in Calicut other than the Karasheri Bank, and this bank has also been very, very promising under the leadership of Mr. Jayakrishnan, and this bank is called as the Calicut Town Service Cooperative Bank, and this bank has won 2 very interesting initiative awards. One is for e-payment initiative and the other is for the best investment initiative. My congratulations to the team of Jayakrishnan and the Calicut Town Service Cooperative Bank. Congratulations, sir. Let's go into the investment initiative, because it is said that when it rains, you should really have enough stock at your home, and that is where you save all the food, all the necessities for a rainy day. And the COVID was a rainy day for most of the cooperative banks. And the best initiative in the area of investments goes to the Eramala Service Cooperative Bank, again from Kerala. Congratulations team Eramala Service Cooperative Bank on your achievement. Congratulations. Now let's go to the best PSL expansion from the PAX and credit category, and this goes to Eramam Kuttur Service Cooperative Bank in Kerala. PSL expansion. In the PAX and Credit Society, most of the nominations have come from Kerala, and that is why you are seeing most of the banks from Kerala. Of course, we have had from Andhra, we have had from Maharashtra and couple of other places, but most of this PSL expansion or any of this PAX entries have come from Kerala. Congratulations Eramam Kuttur Service Cooperative Bank. Now let's go to the Best PAC and Credit Society Award, Best Cooperative Bank Award in the PAX category, and the Infrasoft, Banking Frontiers, NAFCUP, FCBA Award for Best Cooperative Bank in this PAC category goes to Kolkalam Service Cooperative Bank. Kolkalam Service Cooperative Bank. Congratulations. Let's go to the best digital bank and the best fraud control initiative. These are the two very important categories in the PAX and Credit Society category. And the award for the PAX and Credit Society category in the Digital Bank and the Best Fraud Control Initiative goes to the Repatriates Cooperative Finance and Development Bank. The Repatriates Cooperative Finance and Development Bank. Congratulations. I just had the great opportunity to have a conversation with the Chief Digital Officer and the IT Head, Assistant General Manager of this bank in the session. What a wonderful bank it is, and I am really surprised to know that this bank has got the turnover of over 16,000 crores, which is bigger than most of the urban cooperative banks in the country as well, which is equivalent to some of the top 4 to 5 urban cooperative banks in the country. So congratulations team, Repatriates Cooperative Finance and Development Bank. And then comes the initiative for e-payments and HR innovation. The people are the most important part of any bank, and the best e-payment and HR innovation initiative in the PAX category goes to the Tirumetta Code Service Cooperative Bank, which is again from Kerala. Congratulations to you. A big applause. Now let's go to the next initiative, which is in the area of Best Audit Initiative. The Best Audit Initiative in the Cooperative PAX category goes to the Thiruvananthapuram District Taxi Drivers Cooperative Society. Thiruvananthapuram District Taxi Drivers Cooperative Society. Please come over, and this is a great applause to you. You are also the winners for many years in this Cooperative Banking Awards. Congratulations to you. Let's now move into the District Central Cooperative Banks category, DCCBs. These are the large giants of the cooperative sector who have been looking into the smallest of the needs of the agricultural sector, the priority sector, and they are the foundation of the cooperative banking sector as well. Let's go first for the Best Investment Initiative, and the Best Investment Initiative in the DCCB category goes to Latur District Cooperative Bank. Latur District Central Cooperative Bank. Congratulations to the DCCB sector, where we are talking about analytics. Analytics is one of the most important areas for the cooperative banks, where they have to get into in their way of digital transformation. We are going to announce the next award for the Best Analytics Initiative, and this award goes to none other than the Raigad DCCB, which has been always in the forefront of technology. Congratulations team Raigad DCCB. Is another bank which has also shown some very good initiatives. This bank was also into the IT categories in the past few years. Very again forward looking bank from Konkan region of Maharashtra, and that is the Ratnagiri District Cooperative Central Cooperative Bank. Congratulations. Congratulations Ratnagiri DCCB. A great applause to you also. So this is a joint award for the Best Investment Initiative. Now let's go to the Best Credit Growth and the Best Turnover Bank. The Best Credit Growth and the Best Turnaround Bank in the District Central Cooperative Banking category goes to Shri Rajkot District Central Cooperative Bank. Both the two awards, they have grown the award in terms of the credit growth, and they have also achieved a turnaround. Congratulations Rajkot District Central Cooperative Bank. In the large DCCB category, the award for NPA management and the audit initiative. So this is the governance oriented bank, and governance is the most important thing, especially when it comes to achieving success in the cooperative banking sector. And the best NPA management and the best audit initiative was adjudged to the Ahmedabad District Central Cooperative Bank. Congratulations Ahmedabad DCCB. Congratulations to you.
Managing frauds is one of the key ingredients, especially in this digital age when everything is digital. And managing frauds involves a key deployment of people, process and technology. Let me introduce you to the winner of the Best Fraud Management Initiative in the DCCB sector, and this award of FCPA 2020 goes to the Ahmednagar DCCB. Ahmednagar DCCB backs the award for Best Initiatives in Fraud Management in the DCCB category. Congratulations team Ahmednagar DCCB.
Let's see which has been a wonderful turnaround bank, and we had a wonderful turnaround strategist in the name of Mr. Pramod Karnad in our jury, and the jury has looked very keenly into this turnaround, and the turnaround bank in the DCCB category was adjudged to the DCCB Kakinada. Congratulations, congratulations. A hearty congratulations for you. May you succeed much better. Now let's look at the priority sector lending expansion. The most important sector when it comes to the growth and development of the sector. And this priority sector lending expansion goes to the Hassan DCCB from Karnataka. Hassan DCCB, congratulations for your achievement in priority sector lending expansion. Congratulations. Now, the time is to announce a leader, and this leader is basically the IT head of the year from the DCCB sector, and this IT head of the leader award goes to Prashant Deshmukh, who is the best IT leader, and the bank has also been awarded the best digital bank. Congratulations Satara DCCB for the best cooperative bank award, the best IT head of the year and the best digital bank. 3 awards for a single bank. This is the stalwart of the DCCB banking category. In fact, I remember when 2007 onwards, when we have started the award, this bank would apply for 12 categories of awards, and in 10 of the 12 categories they would stand number 1. So it is really a great treasure, Satara DCCB, to have you here. Congratulations, a very big applause for the best cooperative bank in the DCCB sector, the IT head of the year Prashant Deshmukh, and the best DCCB, Satara DCCB. Congratulations team Satara DCCB. Now let's go for the cyber security education campaign. This is the most important campaign, especially in this COVID age when the banks are facing major cyber security threats. And this award goes to the Surat District Central Cooperative Bank. Surat District Central Cooperative Bank, congratulations to you and your team. Congratulations. Now let's go to the credit. Ultimately, the lifeline of the cooperative banking business is your credit growth. And the best credit growth award goes to the Thane District Central Cooperative Bank. Thane District Central Cooperative Bank, congratulations to you. Now let's go in the small DCCB category, the award for best infrastructure plan, and this infrastructure plan award goes to the Jalna DCCB from Maharashtra. Congratulations team Jalna DCCB. Now let's go in the small DCCB category award. The small DCCB category award for best cooperative bank and the best investment initiative, which goes to the Jilla Sehkari Bank, Garhwal, Kotdwar. Fantastic. It's really great to see a bank from northern India, from Himachal Pradesh, Kotdwar. What a beautiful place it is. Garhwal Jilla Sahkari Bank. Congratulations to you for winning 2 awards. Let's go into the state cooperative banking category, and the award for the best cooperative bank in the state cooperative bank category and the best cyber security education campaign and the best digital bank. And obviously I don't have to tell you that if you are in cyber security, if you are in best digital, automatically your IT head has to be a stalwart. None other than Colonel Vinod Shah, who has been bringing his best military practices into the cyber security and the digital world. And it takes a pleasure for me to announce the name of Gujarat State Cooperative Bank for Best Cooperative Bank, Best IT Head, Best Cyber Security Education and Best Digital Bank category in the State Cooperative Banking category. This bank has also done a wonderful initiative to bring together a universal payment system for the cooperative bank DCCBs in the region, to help all the banks to bring together their best security practices, and they are creating umbrellas for across all the DCCBs in the state to come together and work together. Congratulations, a real spirit of cooperative. So friends, we are now done with the DCCB category and the other categories, and now we move into the biggest category, that is the urban cooperative banks category. We will start with the small, then the medium, then the large, and then we will also honor some of the best leaders in each of these categories. Before I do that, let me invite Mr. Manoj Agarwal, the editor of Banking Frontiers, who has been one of the pillars in conceptualizing this FCBA award in 2007 with me in the Banking Frontiers team. May I invite Manoj to take over the announcement for the awards in the small banks category. Welcome, Manoj.
Thank you, Babu, for that wonderful announcement about all the winners so far. I'm now going to take ahead and go with the next set of winners. Now my next winner is from the next winners are from the small UCB category, and for the best audit initiative, I'm happy to announce that the Abhinandan Urban Cooperative Bank is the winner for 2020 FCBA. Congratulations, Abhinandan Urban Cooperative Bank. Let's go ahead then. I come to an award for the best cyber security education campaign in the small UCB category, and the winner here is Bhavna Rishi Cooperative Urban Bank. Cooperative Urban Bank. Congratulations, Bhavna Rishi Bank. Wonderful job in cyber security education, which is truly a need of the day today, because the cyber frauds are growing day by day, and it is the weakness at the customer end which is the real threat. So superb work done there. Congratulations. Moving ahead, I'm happy to announce Best Audit Initiative Award also goes to Chittorgarh Urban Cooperative Bank in the small UCB category. Congratulations, Chittorgarh Urban Cooperative Bank. Audit is becoming an increasingly important function for the cooperative banking sector, for governance perspective, and to make sure that do not lose money to frauds, because frauds are rising day by day, and I'm happy to see Chittorgarh Bank taking the excellence in this area. Congratulations. Okay, now going to the next award, we have an award for the best infrastructure plan, and in this category the award goes to Fingrowth Cooperative Bank. Congratulations, Fingrowth Bank, for an important area which is going to determine the future of the cooperative bank's ability to deliver fantastic customer service, because without infrastructure, today's technology will not work. So congratulations once again, Fingrowth Cooperative Bank. Moving ahead, we come to a category which is really important always, and that is best NPA management. And in the small UCB category, I am happy to announce Jalore Nagrik Sahakari Bank as the winner. Congratulations Jalore Nagrik Sahakari Bank for excellence in NPA management. Now we come to a very interesting initiative, which is the best data analytics initiative. This is a new field, emerging field. Since we talk of data being the new oil, data analytics is going to yield the precious value. And here I am happy to announce Janata Sahakari Bank based in Ajara as our winner in FCBA 2020. Congratulations Janata Sahakari Bank. Next, we come to the best investment initiative, and it is very well known that during turbulent times, investment plays a key role when credit may or may not be going at a suitable pace. And here, I am happy to announce Krishna Sahakari Bank based in Rathare as the winner in this category. Congratulations Krishna Bank. Let's go ahead. The best initiative for investment, and here again the co-winner is Padmavati Cooperative Bank. Congratulations Padmavati Bank for your excellent work in this area. Our jury has been really appreciative of these new areas that cooperative banks are earning their excellence. Congratulations. Okay friends, we now move ahead and we come to a very important category, that is the IT head of the year. Now this is a person who is driving the initiatives in the bank for technology modernization, for digitization and all that customer satisfaction initiatives that the bank has to deliver. And then the award in this category for the IT head of the year goes to Mr. Shashikant Padwal. He is the IT head at Parshvanath Cooperative Bank based in Kolhapur. Congratulations Mr. Padwal, fantastic job. Shall we go ahead? The best award for the best cooperative bank in NPA management, which I said earlier is a very important category, also goes to Pochampalli Cooperative Urban Bank. Congratulations Pochampalli Bank, doing a good job in a very vital area. Now let's go to best risk management initiatives in the small UCB category. And here our winner is Priyadarshini Nagri Sahakari Bank based out of Jalna. Congratulations Priyadarshini Bank. Risk management is such a critical area and your excellent work in this area is very much appreciated. Heartiest congratulations. Best turnaround bank. You know, it is really difficult to turn around a bank. Banking is not an easy business, and an award for this is something really worthwhile. I am happy to announce Rajapur Urban Cooperative Bank as the winner in this category. Heartiest congratulations Rajapur Bank for a fantastic job, and we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. All the best ahead. Now I come to another bank for IT Head of the Year award in the small UCB category. That is from Shri Arihant Cooperative Bank, and the winner is Mr. Rohit Singh. Congratulations Rohit for a fantastic job bringing IT initiatives in your bank to fruition and to give customers the benefit of it. Heartiest congratulations Rohit. A very important topic that is emerging today is HR innovation. People, talent, skills are becoming so critical for the success of the bank that it simply cannot be left to chance. And the bank that has done an excellent job in this category, and the winner is Shri Mahavir Urban Cooperative Bank based out of Solapur. Heartiest congratulations Mahavir Bank for excellent work in this category. Going ahead, we come to a very regular category, which is Best credit growth. And here our winner is Smriti Nagrik Sahakari Bank based out of Mandsaur. Now this is a very important area and I really appreciate this bank for their progress in this critical area. Congratulations, Smriti Nagrik Bank. Going ahead, we come to the Best Infrastructure Plan Award, and as I said how important infrastructure is just now, the winner here is the Adarsh Cooperative Bank, and I am really happy to see their progress in this critical area. Congratulations, Adarsh Bank. Risk management, another very critical area for sure, and a winner today here is the Agrasen Cooperative Urban Bank. Heartiest congratulations for your risk management initiative and best wishes for keeping up the momentum. Congratulations. Our regular category, which is a very competitive category, which is NPA management, and the award for this in the small UCB category goes to the Inadu Cooperative Urban Bank. Heartiest congratulations, Inadu Bank. Our next award is for the best PSL expansion, and the winner here is the Gandevi People's Cooperative Bank. Heartiest congratulations, Gandevi Bank, for your excellent work in this area of PSL expansion. Now we come to the Best Cooperative Bank Award in the small UCB category. This is a hugely contested category. Most number of banks apply for this award in 2020, and I am happy to announce the winner here is the Rajkot Commercial Cooperative Bank. Heartiest congratulations, Rajkot Commercial Bank, for your excellent work and for winning the Best Cooperative Bank Award. Fantastic work. Our next award is for the Best Turnaround Bank. I am happy to announce the Udupi Cooperative Town Bank, based in Karnataka, as a winner in this category. Turning around a bank is not a trivial task, and really I appreciate the work that the award that a bank wins in this category is really noteworthy. Congratulations. Okay friends, that was the small urban cooperative banks category. We now move over to the medium urban cooperative banks category. I'd like to invite Mr. Babu Nair to come over and continue the awards function and announce the winners. Over to you, Babu.
Thank you, Manoj, for your announcement of the winners in the small urban cooperative banks category. Now let us quickly proceed towards the medium urban cooperative banks category. Again, a lot of banks in India come under this medium cooperative banks category. Let me announce the first award for the best PSL, Priority Sector Lending Expansion, and the best initiative for investment awards, which goes to Arvind Sahakari Bank from Maharashtra in the medium UCB category. Congratulations team Arvind Sahakari Bank. Congratulations on your award. Let's now move to the data analytics initiative. This is very unknown, especially in the cooperative sector. Not many banks have got into data analytics, and trust me, this is the segment which is going to drive business automatically for the cooperative banks. And I am very proud to announce the name of Kanaka Mahalakshmi Cooperative Bank for the best data analytics initiative in the urban cooperative banks category. Kanaka Mahalakshmi Bank, congratulations to you. It's a pity we can't have a direct interaction. We would have loved to give you your mementos and your trophies in your hand here. But let's hope for a great time in 2021. Now let's go towards the best third-party business growth. The banks have to think out of the box and do third-party businesses other than the normal conventional lending business. And this initiative has been taken very interestingly by Prime Cooperative Bank in the medium UCB category. Gokul Bhai and your bank, you have been a wonderful bank in Gujarat. What a professionally run bank. Congratulations to you, sir. Now let's go to the Cyber Security Education Campaign. The Cyber Security Education Campaign, the best award goes to the Quilon Cooperative Urban Bank. Quilon Cooperative Urban Bank from Kerala, best Cyber Security Education Campaign. Congratulations to you. Is to announce another wonderful stalwart bank in the cooperative banking category, which has always been one of the most envied banks. I have seen this bank grow from a mere 15 crore bank to a 900 crore bank in the last 14 years, and this year it would probably cross 1000 crores. The bank is none other than the Gayatri Cooperative Bank based in Andhra Pradesh. May I request the team of Gayatri, the entire cooperative banking sector, to give a standing ovation to this Gayatri Bank. This small bank, this short man, Mr. Srinivas, who has been the CEO of this bank, has really done a marvelous job for bringing this cooperative banks to such 1000 crore category from such a meager small bank in one small town in Andhra Pradesh. This year they have still achieved over 200% growth. I would definitely love to share his story with everyone through our Banking Frontiers Live video channel and Banking Frontiers magazine. Congratulations Gayatri Cooperative Bank for getting the Best Cooperative Bank Award for the year and the Best HR Innovation Award for the year. Congratulations. You have won more awards, but yes, we have kept some restriction to the number of awards we are giving you. So it is like a Hall of Fame kind of award for you in the medium UCB category. Let's move further. You have the Best HR Innovation Award, which also goes to the Urban Cooperative Bank, Perindalmanna in Kerala. Perindalmanna Urban Cooperative Bank, one of the largest cooperative banks in the Urban Cooperative Bank category in Kerala. Congratulations on Best HR Innovation. Congratulations to you. Let's now move to the Medium Urban Cooperative Bank category, where we are going to award for Best Credit Growth and the Best Audit Initiative. And this award goes to the Veraval Mercantile Cooperative Bank. Veraval Mercantile Cooperative Bank, Veraval. Congratulations team Veraval Mercantile Cooperative Bank for winning these two awards. Congratulations to you. Let's now go into the Best Credit Growth, again in the medium UCB category. Credit is the most important pillar of Urban Cooperative Bank or any cooperative bank, and I am proud to announce the name of Y Urban Cooperative Bank as the winner of the Best Cooperative Banking Credit Growth in the medium UCB category. Congratulations. Cyber Security and Education Campaign. We are now moving into the category called as the large bank category. We are now done with the medium category and now we are going into the large urban cooperative banks category. The award for Best Cyber Security Education Campaign in the large urban cooperative banks category goes to a very tech-savvy bank from the city of Hyderabad, and this is none other than AP Mahesh Urban Cooperative Bank. Asavaji and your entire team, technology team, congratulations to you for your wonderful achievement in Best Cyber Security Education Campaign. Let's now award the Best IT Head of the Year, and this award goes to Aarti Dole of Cosmos Cooperative Bank. Aarti ji, you have been doing some wonderful initiative after a lot of fiasco in the last few years, especially in the IT, in the cooperative banking sector. You have really steered it up to bring it to the forefront, bring back the trust of the customers in the technology, and congratulations to you for being the IT head. Let's now move on to the risk management initiative, how the banks are having the risk management initiatives, and this goes to Janata Sahakari Bank, Pune. The best risk management initiative goes to Janata Sahkari Bank, Pune. Let us now move on to the large urban cooperative banks category award for Best Cooperative Bank Award, and the large urban cooperative banks Best Cooperative Bank Award goes to none other than NKGSB Cooperative Bank, and also the IT Head of the Year award goes to Vishal Rathod of NKGSB Cooperative Bank. Congratulations to you. This is a joint award for IT Head and the Best Cooperative Bank Award. Now let's go into the Best Third Party Business Growth and the Best Investment Initiative in the large urban cooperative banks category. Investments is the largest pie of business that many of the banks have earned during the current year of COVID, and the award for the best third party business growth and the best initiative for investment goes to Basin Catholic Bank. The bank has also won the best lady leader as well in this year, but these two awards go to Basin Catholic Cooperative Bank. Again, a very well run community bank based out of a small suburb near Mumbai, Basin Catholic Bank. Congratulations Team Basin Catholic. Now let's move towards some of the biggest stalwarts in the urban cooperative banks category. This bank again has got tons and tons and tons of achievement in the technology and business. But yes, we have certain constraints to give you awards only in certain category, and we chose the best digital bank and the best e-payments initiative to none other than Saraswat Cooperative Bank, the largest urban cooperative bank in the country. Congratulations team. You have also crossed 55,000 crores of business this year. It is a really remarkable achievement, and you have been the crown in the eye of the cooperative banking sector. Congratulations to you. In the best e-payments initiative, the large UCB category, again a very strong bank which has been really doing wonderful job in the area of technology and business development. The bank is also in the process of core banking transformation in the last few months, and the bank is none other than SVC Cooperative Bank. SVC Cooperative Bank, congratulations, and they have just recently had a great new leader in the area of technology who has come in, Santosh Mohile ji. Congratulations to you, and what a wonderful leadership. This is an award for another great bank from Gujarat, and this bank has really achieved a lot of turnaround, especially in the incomes in the last few years, and this has set a roadmap for the cooperative banks in the state of Gujarat. It has been consistently being the topmost bank under the able guidance of Mr. Vinod G. Dadlani. So let me just invite the team of Kalupur Commercial Cooperative Bank to bag the Best Leadership IT Head of the Year Award and the Best HR Innovation Award. Congratulations team Kalupur Commercial Cooperative Bank. Let's now move into the best initiative for fraud control. This is the biggest pain area for the cooperative banks and the best investment initiative in the large urban cooperative banks category. This award goes to the Kalyan Janata Sahkari Bank under the able leadership of Atul ji. Atul Khilwadkar ji, wonderful achievement of your bank. Again, a forward-looking, a straight-cut spokesperson of the cooperative banking sector, who is a real cooperator at the heart. Congratulations to Kalyan Janata Sahkari Bank. let me move on to data analytics initiatives. Again, a very interesting employees cooperative bank based in Mumbai, which is owned by the municipal employees, and it is called as the Municipal Cooperative Bank, and they have bagged the award for the best data analytics initiative. Congratulations team Municipal Cooperative Bank. Audit. Ultimately having an audit and clarity of what is the system happening in the bank. And this award goes to none other than a visionary bank from Surat, a very strong bank and one of the oldest bank based out of this textile and diamond town of Surat, the Surat People's Cooperative Bank. Team Surat People's Cooperative Bank, you have been the foundation of Gujarat's cooperative banking sector, and you have also been the foundation of SCOBA. Congratulations Mukesh ji Ganjar, Modawala ji and your entire team. Congratulations. Let's go into credit growth and the public priority sector lending expansion, and this award goes to none other than the Sutex Cooperative Bank, the another strongest pillar of Surat's cooperative banking sector. And I would love to really commend the efforts of Sharadji Kapadia, who is also a strong pillar of the SCOBA, to actually take this bank to a new level along with his team of chairmen, directors and CEOs to greater heights. Congratulations for best credit growth and best PSL expansion. This is the next best award and probably the most interesting award that everyone in the cooperative banking sector is eyeing for. This visionary leader has got the award for being the best chairman or the leader in the last year, and this year the bank is bagging the best cooperative banking award. This award goes to the Varacha Cooperative Bank, Surat. Surat has been leading as a flag bearer of the cooperative banking sector from Gujarat, and I am really proud to announce the name of Varacha Cooperative Bank as the best cooperative bank in the town of Surat. Congratulations to you.
NPA management. This is the biggest determinant factor in the growth of a cooperative bank and in assessing the health of the cooperative bank. In the medium banks category, I am really very glad to announce the name of Hasti Cooperative Bank, which has won the award for best NPA management in the medium banks category. Team Hasti Cooperative Bank, a very hearty congratulations to you and your entire team of chairmen, CEOs and the members of the bank. Keep it up. Congratulations.
And friends, the last and the biggest announcement of the year is basically the announcement of Lifetime Achiever in the cooperative banking sector. This person who is going to be awarded as the Lifetime Achiever of the Year is a great person who has really spent his entire life for the growth, for the sustenance, for the development and for the sustainability of this entire sector. He has been a great part of NAFCUP. He has been a wonderful, strong man who has really led the cooperative sector from the front. And this person who is going to be awarded the Lifetime Achiever of the Year award will go to Mr. G. Ramamurthy, who is the chairman of the Telangana Multi-State Urban Cooperative Banks Federation. Mr. G. Ramamurthy, congratulations to you, sir, and we all bow in front of you for the great efforts that you have put for the growth of the urban cooperative sector banks in the country. Congratulations to you. May I request all the cooperative bankers to please extend a warm and a great applause for Mr. Ramamurthy for his wonderful achievements. Congratulations. Friends, with this, we are at the end of the announcement of all the awards that we have put in place, and this is something that we have really wanted to do in the month of September, and thanks to the entire confusion, we were actually hoping we will be able to call you physically in the month of October or November or December, and now we had no choice, but in the interest of safety of every one of us, even while still the vaccination drive is going on in the country, we wanted to make sure that you are all safe. We all love to have interaction, networking, handshake and embrace with all of you in the cooperative sector, but we will look forward to all those wonderful times and celebration time in the month of January. Friends, congratulations to all the winners. Those winners who have not won, please don't lose your heart. Please don't stop applying. It is always that, you cannot come first in every class that you study, and every student need not come first. It is the participation, it is the support, it is the engagement that will take us to the new levels. And this kind of support that you have shown to Banking Frontiers is fantastic. Let me also thank all these technology partners and the other partners who have really made it big and who have really supported this event financially. Infrasoft Tech, who has been the title partner for this event. We have had Tata Communication as the cloud partner. We have had Infosys as the digital transformation partner. We have had Polycom as the video communication partner. We have IDBI Intech. We have got Poseidon. We have got Posidex. We have got Epic. We have got Hotfoot, and we have got Obvious. All these technology players who have made this participation of all the cooperative banks possible. We have tried to create this virtual platform, which we have used it as a special platform to share this. It is not easy to get this platform in such a short notice, and also to make a live kind of thing possible. We are taking all our efforts to make sure that you have a wonderful experience. We will share this information with you on the copies of Banking Frontiers. We will come out with a special issue on that, and in our video channel bankingfrontiers.live. Last but not the least, I would also like to introduce you to my entire team of people whose names will be shown in the video, and who have really put in a lot of effort, spent sleepless night making the videos, designing the virtual platform, trying to coordinate all these conversations with you, getting the partners who can be partners to fund this entire activity, and all our great honorable jury members who have really gone out of their way to share their nominations, to look into each and every nomination with minutest of the details wherever possible. Again, there is a small disclaimer that all these awards have been given to you on the basis of your nominations only. Banking Frontiers has not taken any steps to verify it, the financials, etc., with the Reserve Bank of India or any of this. These are as per the information received by us under the undertaking of the banks, and it is basically to encourage the growth of the entire sector. So, wish you all the best, wish you all the success, wish you all the resilience and strength to come out of this corona based downturn and leapfrog into the various areas and possibilities of growth. The RBI or the regulators have become quite stringent with the cooperative banks, but we are sure that with a whole lot of compliance, with a whole lot of discipline, the sector will definitely emerge as a winner, and all of us will be leapfrogging the growth of the cooperative banking sector. Let's look at bringing more digital, more youngsters, more flesh blood and more growth to our sector, and let's try to make this as the place to be in the financial services sector. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Shabba Khair, Shubharatri, and have a wonderful 2021, and let's look at having a great awards for the FCBA in 2021. Thank you very much partners, thank you very much bankers, thank you very much NAFCUB for all your support and encouragement to cooperative banking sector and to Banking Frontiers for making this possible. With folded hands, I try to share all the great empathies and support that you have always shared with us. Thank you very much and see you all in 2021. Thank you.